So here we've got a very cool little YZ80, 1983 model it is. Very cool little motocross bike. I love these old 80s YZs. I think the colour scheme's just really smart. So this one's been kind of partially restored. Original wheels that have been powder coated, laced up with new stainless spokes, hubs powder coated, 4 legs polished up, new plastics, some of the original stickers someone's put on. Rental bars, new levers, throttle set, seat cover, new tyres. It's a nice little bike. I buy out an unrunner, cleaned the car, took the carb off, stripped that out because it'd been sat. The previous owner said it'd been sat a couple of years, so it was really full of gunk in the bottom of the ball. So I cleaned that out, drained the tank, fresh fuel, cleaned the plug, fires up, sounds really crisp. The only thing that this bike really would benefit is someone's stripped the paint off the engine, as you can see, but they've obviously used one of them wire grinder wheels, too abrasive, so that one's smoothing off and painted, and that would finish that bike off nicely. Yeah, exhaust one's painted. It's a nice little bike. It's had a little weld repair in the cylinder head, and for some reason, I don't know why, but this has been cut out and perspex bonded in there, but it does a job. Yeah, it's a nice piece. Just wants a little bit more time and money spending on it to make it really nice. Let's see if we can get it fired up. Oh dear. Hard with having